Hey, you, come here.
Who, me?
Yeah, you, come here.
Okay.
Yay, thank you so much. Nobody ever really comes to visit me.
Okay.
Hi, I'm the cutest little helicopter you ever did see. See my two-wheel thingies? Whee! I grew up in here. Whee! I got a little bitty thing, and two people can sit inside me. Look at my little wheels. Oh my goodness.
This is 8373 Kilo.
Kilo. Aw, Kilo. Good Kilo. Good Kilo.
Yo, what's up? My name's Twin Star. I can't really see right now. They got this thing over my eyes. Yeah, but I'm just waiting for my nose job next month. Doctor wants to take a little off the right there. They're just gonna take a little off. I'm gonna be so sexy. Look at my guns. I've been benching 300 every day in the gym. That's right. That's why I got these guns. That's why they call me the Twin Star. The Twin Star. The Twin Star. I'm like so thirsty. Can I like totally have something to drink, please? Yeah, please. Yeah, totally. No worries. I'll give you something to drink. Yeah, like no problem, bro. That's like my job, bro. I'm so thirsty, bro. Just bring it over here.